1. In a small bowl add yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, half a cup liquid, water plus evaporated milk, and mix. Set aside for 5 minutes. 2. In a separate bowl add flour, salt, sugar, and mix. 3. Make a hole at the center. 4. Add yeast, egg, and butter. 5. Add diluted milk and water gradually while mixing and mix. 6. Knead your dough in a floured table for 15 minutes or until the desired texture is met. 7. Cut, measure, and form the dough. 8. Form your dough into your desired design. (9) Allow your formed dough to rise for 30 to 40 minutes or until the desired size is met. 10. Bake your dough in a preheated oven for 25 to 35 minutes. 11. Brush your baked bread with butter to become shiny and appealing. 12. Top your bread with mayonnaise and cheese. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.